Good day everyone, I am Ariel Montegrejo, second year student taking a Bachelor of Physical Education at Western Philippines University. They say, ang buhay ay di karera. And I completely agree with that. We don't need to hurry because we can reach our dream no matter what happens. As long as we know within ourselves that we are doing our best, our time will surely come. Our journey is not just about when do we start or when we finish, because along the way, we encounter different challenges and experiences from which we can learn valuable lessons. Today, I will share how knowing the deeper meaning of folk dance opened my eyes to see its true value. Back when I was in grade school, folk dancing didn't amaze me, didn't entertain me. Maybe because I was too young to understand what it really was. You see, folk dancing is a huge part of us Filipinos. In almost every school program, there always folk dance presentation. This show how we promote our culture. Education is in demand in our community, and that motivated me to pursue this course, BPED. I'm glad about this decision because right now, I don't only know how to perform folk dances, I also understand how these dances perform. Every dance has its own history, especially when we talk about folk dance. I have learned about thousands of folk dance, how they should be performed, how they were formed, their origin, their history, and what specific costume should be used. Knowing these details is important because this is where knowledge begins. As educator, we are responsible for passing that knowledge to the next generation. Knowing the right details about folk dancing is essential in promoting our culture. If we attend a folk dance competition before the contest begins, there is always a rule of a criteria that say, what is the literature should not be replaced. We can change the choreography, but we cannot change the movement state in the literature. And that's a true. Why? Because every dance belongs to a specific region, culture, belief, and a symbol of identity. We must strictly follow what's written in the literature to avoid confusion among our learners. The memories came flashing back. Back then, I was naive about nature, but now I am truly proud that I can perform and that know what folk dancing truly represents. It tells our diverse histories that bind us Filipinos together, and that's the reasons why we need to know its deeper meaning. As a dance manlalatek, I understand that it is an opportunity to tell and share history through showcasing our dance presentation. From not knowing something, here I am now sharing my experience with all of you. I hope you find this video full of learning and realization, because I firmly believe in the saying, an investment in knowledge pay the best interest. Goodbye and good.